Another exciting thing, actually not too far from where Patrick lives, is Virgin Galactic had a second flight into near space. And this one was the highest and fastest it's gone so far, and with more people. Instead of just the pilot and co-pilot, there was also a specialist on board who she trains the passengers that will be riding this. And here she is floating in the cabin, weightless, and getting used to what that feels like. And you see reflected in one of the pilot's goggles, look at that view, it's there. You can see the curve. Right. So and actually this is her reaction when she first saw it from altitude. So remember, this is a spacecraft that is designed for paying customers. You can actually buy your way into space on this. And I guess some of us were thinking people would be too terrified, but look at how exciting this could be. And it's further evidenced by what happened right after this flight.
Yeah, her reaction.
Yeah.
But I just have to say, that is intense and beautiful and indescribable. Richard, you're going to love it.
And she's referring to Richard Branson, who now has announced he wants to ride on at the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 in July.